Hello everyone, let's start with the very first question of GATE 2021 set 1. So this is an aptitude question in which we need to just apply the very basics that we learned from class 10th and so on and our general aptitude. So let's see what the question is and let's solve this one. So let's quickly read the question first and let's see how we solve this. So the question says the ratio of boys to girls in class is 7:3. So the given ratio is 7:3. We can write it simply as 7/3. Okay. Then among the options below, an acceptable value for the total number of students in the class is. So basically they've given the ratio of boys to girls and they are asking us to find out or to check which one of the following options could be an answer for the total number of students in the class. So it is a very simple question, a very classic question that we used to solve in our class 10th. So just a quick revision of that is, I can say, that you need to do, but nevertheless we are going to solve it in the very basic manner so that it is clear to all. So we'll just write, first of all we'll just follow our standard method of jotting down the things which are given in the question. So I've written that given ratio is boys to girls is 7:3. Fine. Then let the number of boys and girls be 7x and 3x. Since the ratio is 7:3, so the total number of boys and girls can be written as 7x and 3x. Then the total number of students will be 7x plus 3x, which is equals to 10x. Now we know that according to this question, the total number of students have been given to be these values. I mean, one of the answers of the total number of students needs to be equated to this. So that is what we are going to do now. So we are going to analyze the options and check which one could be a possible answer. So if I just start with the first one and I equate 10x with 21, I get x equals to 21 by 10. So this is some fractional value, right? But the number of students cannot be some fractional number of students. So the same goes for the option B and option D. But if we check for the option C over here, then when I equate 10x with 50, I get x equals to 50 by 10, which is 5. So in this case, if I use x equals to 5 and find out the number of boys and girls, then the number of boys would be 7 into 5, which is 35. And similarly, number of girls would be 3 into 5, which is 15. Hence, this could be a possible answer. So the answer for this question is C part. So I have tick marked the C part. So that's all for this question. I am going to see you all in my upcoming videos on GATE 2021, where we are going to solve many such important questions from GATE 2021 so that we can practice hard and target GATE 2022. I'm also going to discuss many new concepts and your doubts, which you are going to tell me if you have in the comment section below. And also like the video if you liked it. Press subscribe to my channel if you're the one visiting it for the first time, and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay subscribed for the latest videos. Thank you.